Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the basics but acting fast. Plug in each monitor to its correct port and switch the monitor input to match the cable. Once done, power everything on and wake your PC. Make sure your graphics adapter supports multiple outputs. Open Device Manager and glance at the display adapters. If a driver looks outdated, update it now. Doing these first steps removes common blockers and prepares Windows 11 to detect each screen automatically, so you can configure them next. Open Settings, go to System then Display, and use the Detect button if a screen isn't listed. You'll see numbered tiles. Drag them to mirror your real desk layout so cursor movement feels natural. Click the monitor you want as primary and check Make this my main display. Next, pick Display Mode. Choose Extend to expand your workspace or Duplicate for mirrored content. Finally, set each monitor's resolution and scale so text and windows look consistent. Make adjustments, then apply and test by moving windows across screens. Finish by fine-tuning orientation and refresh rate under Advanced Display Settings. Higher refresh helps motion clarity on compatible monitors. If a display stays blank, reseat the cable, switch ports, or temporarily try another cable. These simple swaps reveal hardware faults. Make sure GPU drivers are current. Update from the vendor if necessary. Remember, Windows plus P gives quick modes. If you accidentally blank a screen, press Windows plus P and choose Extend or Duplicate to restore it. This single troubleshooting tip solves most final stage problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.